Are you planning to repaint your car but worried you might get it wrong? What if artificial intelligence could guide you step by step through the entire process, right from choosing the paint to applying it perfectly, all from your own driveway? In this video, you'll learn how to paint your car at home using AI tools smartly, safely, and confidently, even if you're a complete beginner. Repainting a car isn't just about spraying a new colour. It requires surface prep, material knowledge, environmental awareness, and correct technique. For many, it's overwhelming. But now, with the help of AI tools, you can get a personalised, step-by-step car painting guide tailored to your vehicle, your environment, and your budget. Start by using ChatGPT to plan your painting workflow. Simply enter a detailed prompt like "Create a step-by-step car painting guide for a beginner with a 1985 Suzuki FX. I want to paint it metallic, deep royal blue, and I only have a driveway." ChatGPT will return a full plan, tool checklists, material options, safety tips, and the painting process from sanding to curing. You can even ask it for local climate tips or budget product suggestions. Not sure how the final look will turn out? Use AI visualizers like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. Upload a photo or describe your vehicle. Ask for a metallic, deep royal blue Suzuki FX, for example, and instantly get a realistic preview. This helps you make visual decisions before committing time and money. Learning through video tutorials is faster with AI. Use tools like AIforBeginners to summarize lengthy YouTube videos. Get the key points from experts in seconds, covering topics like sanding technique, HVLP gun settings, and common beginner mistakes. Next, calculate your materials and budget. Ask ChatGPT, how many litres of paint do I need for 2 base coats, 2 clear coats, and a primer layer on my Suzuki FX 1985. This helps avoid overbuying, or worse, running out mid-paint job. Now simulate your workflow. Have ChatGPT generate a 4-day timeline. Day 1 for sanding, day 2 for priming, day 3 for base coating, and day 4 for clear coat and curing. Encounter a problem mid-process? Don't panic. Use AI-assisted troubleshooting. Upload a photo of the issue to a forum like AIforBeginners and ask ChatGPT, why does my clear coat look cloudy? AI will help you diagnose and resolve common issues like orange peel, bubbling, or chalking.
Let's recap the process of painting your car at home with AI. Plan your project in detail with ChatGPT. Visualize your design using AI image generators. Learn from expert tutorials quickly. Estimate your paint and material costs accurately. Simulate and schedule each task for smooth execution. Troubleshoot instantly using AI and online communities.